Hi friends, I'm Alice and welcome to your practice. Now today, slightly different setup. We are going to be using the wall to help ease stiffness and tension in our upper, middle, lower back. This is a great practice if you've been sitting at a desk for a long time, if you've been sat on the sofa, your back's feeling quite tight and you just need a quick reset. It's just going to be 5 minutes. So find a blank wall or like a blank door or anything you can lean against, and we'll get going. I'm going to start facing the wall. So bring your hands shoulder height to the wall, spread the hands nice and wide, and then start to walk your feet back, finding length through your spine. Walk the feet back to a place that's kind of comfortable. The hands can always walk down if you find that's kind of better for you. I always like them a little bit lower. It's really your choice. And then coming into like a puppy stretch, we're going to think about trying to sink the chest towards the floor, heavy through the heart. Keeping the arms nice and strong and engaged so you're not sinking into your joints. Breathe in through the nose. And breathe out, get heavier through the chest. It's almost like halfway between puppy pose and down dog. You can always walk the feet back more or closer, depending on what sensation you want. Just take one more. Inhale. Exhale, a bit heavier. And then take an inhale, stay in this arched spine, but see if you can start to look forward towards the thumbs. Exhale, round the spine into a cat spine. Scoot the tailbone under and push the wall away. Inhale, open up the pelvis, send it back, look forward out in front of you. Exhale, round the spine, push the floor away through the feet. Last one, inhale. The knees can always be bent here to get a bit more control over your spine. Exhale, round. And then start to walk your feet up. We're going to bring our right hand to the wall and start to turn over your left shoulder so the wall is on the right side of you. Be far enough away from the wall so the arms kind of can be comfortably extended, but it's not super straight. We need a little bend there. So, and the fingertips can kind of just press into the wall. You don't have to press right now. We're going to take some side stretches. So a little bend into the elbow. Soft through the knees. Take a big breath in, reach the left arm up. As you exhale, start to bend a little bit into the legs and reach your left hand towards the right hand and start to push the left hand into the right hand. Use the core to come all the way up and then exhale all the way down. Couple of those. Inhale, and you can always play around with the distance from the wall. Exhale, push the right hand into the wall, push the left hand into the right hand or to the wall and bend, send the hips to the left. Inhale, use the breath. Exhale, lower. Let's take one more. Inhale, reach the arm up. Big rainbow up over your head. Exhale, left hand to the wall, or maybe it meets the right wrist. Pushing the hips to the left as you push the upper body and the hands to the right. Hold here for 3. Hold on to your core. For 2, open the chest to the ceiling. For 1. Inhale, use the core, come up. Exhale, release. Lovely, guys. Keeping the right hand on the wall, we're just going to turn the fingertips back behind us. So now they're pointing towards the back of the mat. And then start to walk away from that right hand and spin all the way to the left. And just keep moving until you can't go any further. Keeping the arm nice and straight. Maybe you're facing away from the wall. Maybe you're even on a diagonal. It depends how much mobility you've got in your shoulder. And just breathe. Making sure it's shoulder height roughly. Pausing here. And if you want a little bit more different sensation, see how it feels to start to push your right hand into the wall as you passively stretch into it. So driving away through the palm as you twist away. Holding here for 3, 2, 1. Release. Whew, lovely. Come all the way back through the center, facing the wall. We're going to take the other side. Left hand to the wall, facing away. I'm just going to be facing away from the camera, but you know what you're doing because we did it on the other side. So having a slight micro bend in the left arm, just so you're comfortably away, because then we can create that real push and extension through the left arm. Facing the side, parallel feet, take an inhale, reach the right arm up. As you exhale, take a side stretch to the left, reaching the right hand to the wall or maybe to the left wrist. Bend into the knees and push the hips to the right as you press the wall away. Use the core, inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, right hand lands. 2 more of those, inhale, reach up. Exhale, taking the right hand to the wall or to the left wrist and push the wall away as you send the hips away. Inhale, use the core, come center. Exhale. Good, last one. Exhale, stretch and pause. Maybe see if you can go a little bit further away from the wall. Push, 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 push. Spinning the chest to the ceiling, holding here. And then use your core, come all the way back up. Lovely. Let's take that shoulder stretch. Turn the fingertips back behind you, extending through the arm, keeping it shoulder height as you walk towards the right, spinning away from the hand. And then just find a place where your body is comfortable. Breathe, or comfortable. And start to feel your body start to settle. And maybe see how it feels to start to push the left hand into the wall as you take that passive stretch. Holding here for 3, 2, 1. Come all the way back to face away from the wall this time. So just releasing the left arm. And walk slightly back towards the wall. So you're about a foot's width away from the wall, like a foot's length, sorry. And take a big breath in. As you exhale, drop the chin to the chest and roll it all the way down, coming into a forward fold. Soften into your knees, hang heavy in a ragdoll, your choice of what the arms do, and then see how it feels to sink the weight into the heels and maybe you find your bum to the wall. Now you can always pop your feet slightly further out in front of you depending what sensation you want, but just hang here in this really, really passive stretch and breathe. The wall just gives you an opportunity to not have to hold on to anything. You can really just hang and try to think, obviously we're getting nice stretch for our hamstrings, but try to think about trying to get some release for your back as well, release for your shoulders and your neck. One more breath. Bring your hands back behind you to the wall. Push away from the wall. Find that forward fold one more time on your own. And then gently, gently roll your way all the way to stand. Stand tall, energized. Take a big breath in. And a big sigh out. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed that practice and I hope you're feeling a lot more energized and alive and reset in your spine and in your shoulders and your neck. If you like this practice, then please, please, please give it a thumbs up and let me know how you got on in the comments below. I really want to hear how you got on. And if you want more practice like this, then just subscribe to my channel because there are more coming. And if you hit the bell button, you'll be notified every single upload. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day and rest of your week. And I hope to see you very, very soon. Lots of love.